What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Pour ya a nightcap? Well, if you're thirsty, you may have seen that I have drunk Wyler's Light before, because it's actually been really good. I've had the Wyler's Light regular lemonade mix in the past, and like I said, I actually liked it better than Crystal Light and some of the other ones. It just had a richer taste to it. Now, and this one is the cherry, again in Wyler's Light. It does say it has vitamin C there, if you care about that. This little box here has 8 singles in it. You can buy them in these individual packages, or you can buy them in a case. There are also 5 calories per serving, and no fat, 30% of your daily recommended amount of vitamin C. Aspartame is what they use as their sweetening agent in this. Now, you get them in these little easily tearable packets. So that's actually what I really like about them, is that I don't know that they have a notch on them. But sometimes these are really hard to get open, but these are really easy to tear even without the notch, so you can rip off the whole top. Now, I do have a water bottle here full of water, and I just wanted to pour it in here because I have kind of noticed too that because they're so sweet and rich and so much flavor, I should say, that I can kind of water them down more so than they actually suggest, which says to use in about 16 to 20 ounces of water. So I've got quite a bit of water here, as you can see. Still trying to get it all to dissolve. Should definitely stir it up, but I'm just going to take a drink of it the way it is. And pretty tasty. It tastes like cherry water, and even though I have not done the best job of getting this stirred up and, you know, dissolved in there, just like this, it's pretty delicious drink. Listen, I'm not advocating that you go out and add and flavorize every glass of water that you have, but if you want a little taste of something, maybe you're on the trail and don't want to carry packaged drinks or something like that, packing a few of these can be really nice to kind of sweeten things up and liven it up, maybe even give you a little pep in your step while having a refreshing and fruity drink. Pretty cool. Wyler's Light in cherry flavor. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.